So peeps, I can now confirm that Damian Rhoden, aka Munga Honourable, has been officially charged for the murder of one Cleveland Smith approximately 2 weeks ago in the Ackee Walk community of St. Andrew. Munga was taken into custody on Monday when he turned himself in after the police had made requests for him to do so, as they were of the opinion that he could have helped them in their ongoing investigation into the death of the mentally challenged Cleveland Smith at a dance in the before mentioned community 2 weeks ago, as I said. So he was questioned, he denied any involvement, he was released on Thursday, but he was later taken back to Hunts Bay today, Saturday, where he was officially charged for the murder of the gentleman. I'll talk some more about it one more circle, soon forward. Just to put a little perspective on this thing, Munga was chopped and injured in 2015 by Cleveland Smith. It is believed though that Smith was suffering from mental illness. He is actually the nephew of former dancehall artist and now gospel artist turned Christian, Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas, in an interview with the Star yesterday, the article was in yesterday's paper, said that his nephew was mentally challenged. As a matter of fact, Mr. Vegas' words were he was very, very crazy, looking up into the sun and all. He said that the gentleman was the only son for his mother, who had 3 daughters, but he was the only child. He also stated in the article that his mother is now broken and she tried to get help for the gentleman. He said that she called the police to come and assist in trying to get him to the university hospital where he could be assessed, but the policeman who the superintendent gave or made the recommendation to go and do so said he had something else to do and could not come. It turns out that the gentleman was killed the following night at a party in the community. Mr. Vegas is saying the man born and grew up in the community and people see what happened and not see nothing because nobody don't want to be branded as informers and so on. I quote what Mr. Vegas said. You understand? So that is the situation at this point in time. So 2 weeks after Munga's presence was requested by the police, he turned himself in the company of his attorney, Christopher Townsend. He professed his innocence. He was questioned, he was interviewed, and the police released him Thursday because he turned himself in on Monday, as I said earlier. But he was later arrested today, Saturday, May the 28th, for the murder of one Cleveland Smith in the Ackee Walk community in St. Andrew at a dance a couple of weeks back. So he was shot to death. I don't know what the police have, but I know they have arrested the artist. I must say it kind of sad, peeps, because the man them, why I don't know. Before me say anything, I hope say Munga for him sake no involved. But if Munga involved, him need to pay for it.
Them a preach and preach, the poor but they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So I would assume that initially when the police had Munga in custody, they would not have had enough evidence to press charges, but apparently after they released him on Thursday, between Thursday and Saturday afternoon, they uncovered or unearthed or discovered incriminating evidence to lay charges. You understand what I say? Munga recently got back his US visa. See? He was off the scene for a while, and just as his career started get back like a breath, at this now. You understand? I will say a couple of things first, peeps. For the music, for the artist's sake, I hope him not involved. But if him involved, I hope justice is served and served swiftly. Why? Because I work on the premise now. If Munga is involved, him careless and the artists them not learn. Buju Banton not there. Ninja Man would have spent too much years in prison before. Zebra they are prison all along. Artists been going to prison, been going to jail. You understand? The premier example of all is Adidja Palmer Vice Cartel, 35 to life. Zane was Alkaline was arrested the other day and held without being charged for a couple of days before the court's order is released if he wasn't charged. You understand? And we see now where a next artist get himself entangled with the law. I am not pronouncing guilt on Munga. I am not saying Munga is innocent. I cannot say that. However, he is now in police custody for murder. If the trial goes on, his lawyer Christopher Townsend is saying he hopes to get a court date next week to apply for bail. We'll see how that goes. But if this is brought to court and is tried and the evidence suggests that Munga is responsible for the death of the man, then him to pay for. If Munga is not responsible, then him walk. If he's anywhere at all involved, then him to pay. You understand? The artists them not learn. No artist no need to reach this. So. Yes, the man chat well, and people are going to say the man chat Munga and Munga they too cool about it and he did have plans and things. I can't say that. You understand? Yes, he was trapped by the man. Munga, in an interview that he did on stage, said the man, in his opinion, was mentally challenged. Zane, and based on that now, as Munga, I know Munga is a big man, then look into that and say, alright, here I go on. I'm not lose my life, a life over there to say we move on, we forgive and we forget. Knowing that the man has mental issues. Zane, the man there on party, I know a man with mental challenges, the party though, I don't do. You understand what I say? So it rough. Alexa, what kind of nice you are making that place? Peeps, in leaving, I just want to say one, it is a situation where the man them just now learn. Munga should never do him there tonight. I should never did it from Monday, and it is just I don't know. It just baffles me more time. I don't understand what the artists about preach. Some of them are come from the deepest pits of poverty. Them get a break in a life. Do something with your life, no man. Be different, no man. Elevate yourself, no man. Uplift yourself and your community and your friends, them, no man. Lower the foolishness, no man. What it achieve? What it benefit to? What go on? But as me I say, peeps, I may go re-emphasize if Munga is not responsible for the death of Mr. Smith, I hope he is freed in very short order. However, if he is culpable, if he is any at all involved, if he is the one responsible, then I hope that the law deals with it accordingly. Peeps, my God. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.